In this video, I am going to show you how to make WordPress website private. So let's get started. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to make it private so that anyone cannot access our WordPress website. So for this, at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard and then we need to install a WordPress plugin. So to install a WordPress plugin, we are going to click on plugins and then we are going to click on add new. Now from here we are going to search for a plugin maintenance and we are going to install and activate this first plugin. After your plugin is installed, on the left menu you will see a maintenance tab, so we are going to click on it. And now we are going to close this by clicking anywhere else because we do not need the premium version of this plugin. After that, here we need to enter our content that we want to show on the maintenance page of our WordPress website. Like here we can add our page title, headline, and also we can add our description. After that we can add our footer text. And now if you want front end login, then you can check this one, enable front end login. But if you do not need this function, then you can uncheck this one. So I am going to uncheck this one and after that I am going to click on save changes. And as you can see that our changes are now saved. And now if I copy the link of my WordPress website and go to a new incognito window and search for it. And here you can see that our site is under maintenance. So this is how you can make your WordPress website private. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.